So I would like to log in again to office.com, hit enter. Similar process. You can see my account is still there because I have logged in. That's why it says hello tech, welcome back. It will say your first name. So the first name for this account was Tech. I will click on sign in, and here you go. I'm putting the password and sign in. Wait, you would see that more information is required. Your organization needs more information to keep your account secure. What does this mean? It means my IT department has deployed multi-factor authentication, or it's called MFA, to my account. So I need to put a second factor authentication. First factor is my password, my user account and password. Second factor is I need to put phone number or a Microsoft Authenticator app. So there are a couple of different ways to do a second factor authentication. Let's add your phone number. Let's go with the basic. You will click on next. I will put my password, click on sign in, and yes, I would like to sign in again. And here you go. It will load up the phone section. Now, using the phone for second factor authentication, you have two options. Either use the SMS or the call feature. So text is always best. So let's put my number. You can always skip that, but I wouldn't because I want to show you how to configure a multi-factor authentication. We'll click on next. And here you go. It says that we have sent you a text message to your phone. Please put the verification code. So the 6-digit code that I got is something like that. And I will say next. Oh, I did a mistake. 38. There you go. So it won't select any random number. You can see SMS verified, your phone was registered successfully. So now my phone number is registered successfully as a second factor authentication. So now every time I sign in, an SMS will be sent to my phone so I can easily log in. Let's sign out from the account.